at Elephant Rock. There is a track to walk up to the Elephant Rock. So to get to this Elephant Rock, to do the track, have to drive on like a sandy dirt road. The corrugation was not bad, just a bit bouncy because it's very sandy. And the road is quite narrow. Our patrol is quite big for it. And this path is not really well known, so we got all the information from the wiki camp, and now we're going to do the walk up there. We just need to follow the entrance is right here. We just look at the arrow sign and then we start walking up. It's about I'm not sure, maybe an hour up, or is it an hour return?
Right, Evie, you hold on to the tree.
Wait for your turn.
Yep. Got it? Evie, sit down.
We're just taking a rest here. We almost reached the top. We started at 10 a.m. and now it's 10:23. So probably another 5 minutes up, and then I think we're at the top. Yeah, we are taking pictures. You want to see rock wallaby?
Yeah.
Well, there's no rock wallaby here.
Walk wallaby.
I want elephant.
You want to see elephant?
Yeah, I don't want to use my hand. Just elephant rock.
She's such a princess.
I'm a first girl.
No.
That's my spot now. Oh well, I'll have a different one.
Keep doing that. Yep. Yep.
Alright, keep going up. Go past the camera. Go up there.
Okay. You can't by yourself, Evie. I'm just here to catch you if you fall.
Come on,
You can
go
do it by yourself.
this way.
Yes, good girl. Wow, such a good climber.
Yeah,
Just
Eva.
like Eva, big sister.
She's more daring than Eva, though.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Alright, my turn.
That's so cool. Wow.
You hear it? No, it's too windy now.
have finally made it up to the top of Elephant Rock. We are standing on the body at the moment, but the head is there. I think it's a big it's really hard to get there over to the head with the kids, so we decided just to stay on this spot. It's very beautiful. You can see the mountain, the mango farm, the Lake Kanara, and then behind there's a swamp. Pretty much like the whole view of Kanara, except the town.
And there's nobody here.
And there's nobody here except us. Well, the road to get here is quite difficult, but yeah, we made it. Oh well, now it's time for us to go back down and then go to somewhere else. The walk down from Elephant Rock was a challenge. It's rocky, slippery, and lot of loose rock. If we're not careful, we can easily slip down or fall down. Anyway, now we are here at Molly Spring. There's a few cars here already. It's actually not far from Kananara town, and maybe about 20 to 30 kilometers on a Seal Road highway, and then maybe a few more dirt road to this spring. Can picnic here, no camping, but I saw someone brought a caravan in as well. And now we are going to the spring. It seems like the spring is not far from the car park. Can definitely picnic here because there is picnic table and barbecue facility. Okay, mommy coming.
Boing. Boing.
Point of interest for today is the Grotto, which is like maybe another 20k from Molly Spring. We're not going to swim here. It's actually 144 steps down, and then there's a swimming hole and some rock art. but we're not gonna swim because it's like 4 p.m. something now, and yeah, we're just gonna go down and check it out so that we can tick off the list. Thui hoa.
It have a body?
Yeah, it has hands as well.
Daddy, this has the hand. What?
They look like frogs.
What does it do? So,
And then you got people up here with a hand on their heads. They've got a hand growing out of their heads. And that looks like a crocodile, a white one.
this one?
No, that's this white one here. This big white one is a crocodile.
No,
It looks like an emu.
there's the hand and the top.
Yeah, look, it's like this.
Is there more on? Oh, yes. More. Daddy, there's more picture. Over there, there's more picture.
Yeah, he's sitting down. His head's tired.
There's no new pictures. There's more picture over there. There's no crocodile.
Get up there. It's like
I know, but some.
down. Alright, time for going back to the car.
Yeah.
And then back to the caravan.
Yeah.
And maybe a shower.
Yep, a shower is a must. So from where the walk pool, where there is another probably 500-meter walk to see the rock art. Is about the password. There's no sign or anything. Just have to keep walking, and then it's very rocky. It can be difficult for young kids, but I think once we reach the end, there is a sign. I said art sign, and then just follow the sign to see the artwork. They have very interesting artwork there. Alright, the grotto is done, and the pool, because we come so late, it was in the shade, so the water looked quite black. And yeah, I think we had enough swimming at Molly Spring, so we decided not to swim here. Plus the water gonna be so cold anyway.